Best wishes, my dear students. Today I am going to discuss about the lesson gravitation. So gravitation discuss about the gravitational force, universal law of gravitation and acceleration due to gravity, everything. So today we are going to discuss about the gravitational force, the concept of universal law of gravitation. See, gravitation in the lesson gravitation, gravitational force, that only we are going to discuss. Before that, the first observe panna scientist, you know that very well, Isaac Newton. So apple tree la irundhu vilumbodhu adu yen towards the earth and adu fall agudhu, why not in upward direction appdi solittu he thought, and because of which we get the universal law of gravitation today. So one thing you must remember, apple towards the earth fall agudhu and moon revolving around the earth, all the planets revolving around the sun only because of the gravitational force. So every bodies in the universe attract other bodies with the force, that force is said to be gravitational force. So in the universe any two bodies attract each other with the force, that force is said to be gravitational force. Gravitational force அப்படினாலே always that is attractive. ஸோ அதில் வந்து ரிப்பல்சிவ் அப்படிங்கிற விஷயமே இருக்காது. நம்ம வந்து மேக்னெட்டிக் ஃபோர்ஸோ இல்லை எலக்ட்ரோஸ்டாட்டிக் ஃபோர்ஸோ பார்க்கும்போது அந்த இடத்துல அட்ராக்டிவும் இருக்கும், ரிப்பல்சிவும் இருக்கும். பட் இன் தி கேஸ் ஆஃப் கிராவிடேஷனல் ஃபோர்ஸ், தட் இஸ் ஆல்வேஸ் அட்ராக்டிவ் ஃபோர்ஸ் எக்ஸிஸ்டிங் பிட்வீன் த டூ பாடிஸ் in the universe. So universe la irukra any two body, if we consider, the gravitational force will be there, that may be less or more. Okay, so we'll discuss about that. So you must remember that the moon revolving around the earth because of the gravitational force. Similarly, all the planets revolving around the sun because of the gravitational force, and we are in the earth, we can walk, we can sit only because of the gravitational force. Okay, so நம்ம எந்த பொருளை மேலே தூக்கி போட்டாலும் they come back to the earth only because of the gravitational force. So gravitational force அப்படினா என்ன? So what is the expression for that? That only we are going to discuss in the topic of universal law of gravitation. This law is otherwise said to be Newton's law of gravitation. So in this case we have to consider two bodies of mass capital M and small m. Both are separated by a distance of small d. So what is the force existing between the two bodies nu discuss பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி, every bodies in the universe attract other bodies with a force called as gravitational force. That force is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. This is the definition for universal law of gravitation. Again I will repeat this. Every body in the universe attract other bodies with the force. That force is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So here we are considering two bodies of mass capital M and small m. Both are separated by a distance of small d. So product of their masses means capital M into small m, and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them means it is 1 by d square. So in the ரெண்டு equation you combine பண்ணும்போது will get an equation like this. So capital M small m by d square. One thing you must remember, directly proportional அப்படினா அது வந்து நியூமரேட்டர்ல இருக்கும், inversely proportionalனா அது வந்து denominatorல இருக்கும். மத்தபடி இந்த சிம்பல் வந்து எல்லாத்துக்குமே ஒண்ணுதான் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம், அது ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. அடுத்தது while equating, இந்த directly symbol தூக்கிட்டு அந்த இடத்துல equal symbol நம்ம introduce பண்ணனும் அப்படினா we should use a proportionality constant there. So that proportionality constant here is denoted by the letter capital G. I will tell you the name, special name for that. So in the capital G க்கு எனக்கு formula வேணும்னா இந்த G எங்கே வச்சிட்டு இந்த d ஸ்கொயரையும் capital M small m ஐயும் இந்த equal symbolக்கு இந்த பக்கமா cross multiply பண்றோம். So அப்ப we'll get an equation like this. So capital F d square by capital M into small m. Okay. So what is the SI unit of capital G அப்படினா In the equation we'll get the SI unit for that. Force oda SI unit is Newton. Distance oda SI unit is meter. So in distance square irukanaala meter square we are using here. Adutha mass into mass. So kilogram into kilogram. So what is the SI unit? Newton meter square kilogram power minus 2. So now we'll see the special name of this proportionality constant, that is nothing but universal gravitation constant. So universal gravitational constant is capital G. இதோட value universeல எந்த இடத்துல நீங்க calculate பண்ணனும்னாலும் that is a constant value only. So if acceleration due to gravity அப்படினு பார்க்கறப்ப earthல ஒரு value இருக்கும், moonல ஒரு value இருக்கும். I will tell you later about that. But value of G earthலனாலும் moonலனாலும் jupiterனாலும் universeல எந்த இடத்துல நீங்க substitute பண்ணனும்னாலும் the value of capital G remains the constant. That value was found by Henry Cavendish with the help of sensitive balance. The value is nothing but 6.673 into 10 power minus 11 with its SI unit I written here, the value of G. So this value is very important, especially in order to calculate the gravitational force between the two bodies. Now we'll see why it is important. Consider two bodies of mass 1 kilogram and 1 kilogram. Both are separated by a distance of 1 meter. Calculate the gravitational force between those two bodies. அப்படினு நமக்கு ஒரு problem கேட்டிருந்தாங்கன்னா that time we should use this formula to calculate that gravitational force. So இங்க capital G ன்ற இடத்துல value of G I should substitute. இத வந்து round off பண்ணி 6.7 னே நான் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஒவ்வொரு இடத்துலயும் 6.673 யூஸ் பண்ண வேண்டாம். அடுத்தது into 10 power minus 11 னு substitute பண்ணிட்டேன். capital M க்கு 1 kilogram and instead of small m also 1 kilogram and the distance between the two body 1 meter. So இங்க பாருங்க 1 into 1 by 1 square. So இது எல்லா வேல்யூமே 1 தான். So இதே வேல்யூ தான் நமக்கு கிடைக்கும். So 6.7 into 10 power minus 11 Newton. So பாத்தீங்கன்னா that is in the order of 10 power minus 11. That is a very small value. இருக்கிறதுலயே ரொம்ப weakest force எது அப்படினு பார்த்தா gravitational force தான். Discuss about the importance of universal law of gravitation. With the help of universal law of gravitation, successfully we can explain the gravitational force between the planets and the sun, and successfully that explains the gravitational force or force between the moon and the earth. Successfully explain the force between any two bodies, that may be celestial or terrestrial. Celestial bodies அப்படினா very big bodies like planets and sun. Terrestrial bodies na bodies on the earth. Okay, so you must remember. And tides caused in the seas and oceans because of the gravitational force existing between the earth and the moon especially, and earth and the sun. That also successfully explained with the help of the universal law of gravitation. So that's why that is very important in this case. Next we will discuss a small problem. While solving a problem, what are all the things you should remember? That only I am going to explain in this problem. So see here, mass of first body, mass of second body, and distance between the two bodies given in the problem. And here the question is, what is the gravitational force existing between those two bodies? That is the question here. So see here, the mass of the first body is 2.1 into 10 power 20 kilogram. The mass of the second body is 2 into 10 power 18 kilogram. The distance between them is 4.2 into 10 power 18 kilometer given. One thing you must remember, all the units should be in SI unit. So here kilogram, kilogram or SI unit, but see here the distance is not in SI unit. So first you should convert that value into SI unit, then only you can substitute that value in the formula. So what you have to do, the value become 4.2 into 10 power 18 kilo அப்படினா 10 power 3. So 18 plus 3 become 21 meter is the distance between them. So now you substitute that F is equal to, what is the formula here? G m1 m2 by d square is the formula. So we know that the value of G already, that is 6.7 into 10 power 11. Mass of the first body is 2.1 into mass of the second body in the 10 power 20 நான் லாஸ்டா எழுதிக்கிறேன் into 2 okay so into 10 power 20 into 10 power 18 so இது ரெண்டும் சேர்த்தோம்னா 10 power 38 அப்படினு சேஞ்ச் ஆயிடும் by இப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணனும்னா distance square so 4.2 the into 10 power 21 ன்னு substitute பண்ணனும் so இந்த sorry இது வந்து -11 10 power -11 so எப்பவுமே ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் சால்வ் பண்ணும்போது 10 to the powers எல்லாத்தையும் தனியா வச்சிட்டு அதை கால்குலேட் பண்ணுங்க நம்பர்ஸ் எல்லாம் தனியா வச்சிட்டு கால்குலேட் பண்ணுங்க இந்த இடத்துல ஸ்கொயர் மறக்க கூடாது so இத ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கு அப்புறம் 10 to the powers தனியா சால்வ் பண்ணிட்டு நம்பர்ஸ்லாம் தனியா மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிட்டு then you divide and calculate ஈஸியா டிவைட் பண்ற நம்பர்ஸா இருந்தா டிவைட் பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கு அப்புறம் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்க so this is the way you should remember the problem solving part all the units should be in SI unit so convert into SI unit then only you can substitute the values in the formula okay students while giving the result you must remember the result should be produced with a unit SI unit okay so இந்த இடத்துல gravitational force கேட்டிருக்கனால calculation க்கு அப்புறமா gravitational force ஓட யூனிட் வந்து நியூட்டன் any type of force the unit is newton only so newton ன்ற யூனிட் ஓட நீங்க ஆன்சர் எழுதணும் okay students thank you